Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Your go-to tool for on-the-go tire pressure maintenance is the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This small air pump provides accurate tire inflation for automobiles, motorcycles, bicycles, and other vehicles with an integrated tire pressure gauge that measures up to 120 psi. Tire inflation is simple and fast thanks to the one-click smart pump design, which saves you time and trouble. It is simple to transport in your car for routine maintenance or emergency scenarios because to its lightweight and portable design. The Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is the best addition for every car owner. It helps you maintain the correct tire pressure for increased performance, safety, and fuel efficiency.